with Revolut on Steam is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open Steam app on laptop. After it, you have to log in on Steam. Let me know you. Revolut is a financial technology company that offers financial services to individuals and businesses. If you have a Revolut account and wish to make a payment on Steam, follow these steps. Open the Steam app on your PC or laptop. Retrieve your Revolut card details. To do this, first, open your Revolut application. From there, you should be able to access your card details. Click on the I button on the card itself to view your card number, expiry date, and other relevant information. Once you have obtained your card information, proceed to Steam and browse for the game you want to purchase. Click on the game of your choice. After selecting the game, locate and click on the Add to your Cart button. Next, click on the Purchase for Myself button. Choose the payment method, and in this case, select the Visa payment method. Please note that there are various payment methods available, including Visa, PayPal, and more. Enter your card details, including the card number and expiry date. Proceed to enter your billing information, including your first name, last name, city, billing address, postal or zip code, and select your country. Lastly, provide your mobile number and enter all the required details accurately. After entering all the necessary information, click on the Continue button to complete your purchase. You will successfully purchase the game using your Revolut card. Please ensure that all information is entered correctly to avoid any payment issues. And it's done. This is how you can pay with Revolut on Steam.